In this video, we're gonna look at a focus order error in the PAC 2024 tool, specifically the tab order for pages with annotations failure. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. This error is under the operable, navigatable tab order for pages with annotations. Basically, it's a failure under the Adobe Acrobat accessibility checker that I forgot to check. If I go into the Prepare for Accessibility tool within Adobe Acrobat and I check for accessibility and we run this, under page content, I have the option here, tab order failed. This is a very easy fix. All we're going to do is right click it, select fix, select OK, and then save our file. Next, we can reopen the PAC 2024 tool, and under operable, we're looking for 20 less errors. Let's scan this document. Now we can open up the results in detail, and we now have no errors under the operable tab. Now, I do not like using the Adobe Acrobat accessibility checker. However, sometimes it does check some of these low-level items. And in this particular document, I totally forgot to run that checker, as I am so used to running my documents for PDF UA and WCAG compliance. If you want to learn more about these intricate details of PDF accessibility, come join the Accessibility Guide community, where we have multiple self-paced courses to help you learn the ins and outs of document remediation. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.